name's Amelia, and I will be a junior at Pinewood School.
Awesome. So talk to me about what made you interested in machine learning. I definitely didn't know about that in high school. And so how did you find out about that?
So at the very beginning of Magic, I was meeting with my mentor, and she blatantly asked me, "What do you want to do?" And I had a million ideas racing through my head, so I came to her with a list. And somewhere on the list, I saw this program that someone did, actually I think Google did, about machine learning, and if you drew something, the computer could recognize what it was.
Oh, wow.
And I was like, wow, I would love to do something like this. And lucky enough, my mentor had taken a machine learning class at Google. So she already had some previous knowledge about it, and she said, if you want, you could continue on this path, and I could help you. So then we started brainstorming machine learning projects, and then the project depended on how good the data was, because a model is only as good as the data you give it. So we sort of based what direction we were going to go on based on the data. Mm-hmm. And once we found the million song data set, we just thought, okay, let's just run with this.
Cool. So do you have an interest in music? And if so, is that why you decided to work with the Spotify API?
Okay, good question. I've loved music always. I have been playing the piano for about 5 years. I'm on my 5th year. I absolutely love it. And I think every teenager, I listen to music every day. And I think my mentor said I just got my license. So going to school and from school, going to get food, I always have the Spotify app and I play it in my car.
Nice. So what were some of the challenges that you faced while building the program?
The biggest one that I set up there was on the subset, it said that it would give danceability scores to songs, but it didn't. It listed all zeros for the songs.
Oh, man. So rough.
It was rough. So we had to instantly change direction and say, okay, we can't use danceability. What can we use? So the closest thing we could find was tempo, which we inferred if a song is a high tempo, it'll have high danceability. And another challenge was in machine learning, what's really tricky is if you want one aspect to work of your program, you need a bunch of other things to support that aspect or modules. So my mentor was very helpful in helping me decide what we needed and actually helping me download it and installing it to make my project work.
So I guess the biggest question we all have is, do you actually use your program and are you going to put it on the App Store?
That's a great question. I mean, my grandma just came up to me and said you should sell it to a DJ. So
there you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
I think if I worked on it a little more and maybe added different audio features that people could test, I could potentially see it putting it on the App Store, because I use it in a sense that if I want to see if a song that I think is danceable actually is danceable according to the machine, then that's what I use it for.
Awesome. Well, it's super nice meeting you. I can't wait to see
too.
a demo of your project.
Thank you.